Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel for a nighttime clean with me. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you probably already know that I am a night owl. I stay up late and I usually get my motivation to do things at nighttime. Hence the reason why I am filming this nighttime clean with me for you guys. I haven't filmed a clean with me in a while, so I thought I would go ahead and do so. So this is just going to be my master bedroom and my bathroom area for today's video. So I am just going to start by washing my sheets. As you know, if you've watched me, you know that my dogs sleep on my bed along with my cat. So I try to wash my sheets at least once or twice a week at least, because obviously there is a lot of gross hair and just a lot of stuff from the doggies and the cat on there. So I will pop that into the washing machine, and then I'm going to go back into my room and take this handy dandy little brush that takes off a lot of the hair off of my headboard. My dog and my cat really like to sleep close to my headboard, so the hair gets embedded in there pretty well. So this is the only thing that'll take it off. I then go through with my lint roller and I will go over my mattress, and I will also go over the headboard just so that I can make sure to get as much hair as I can off of everything. Once I have taken off as much hair as I can, I'm going to put on my waterproof mattress cover from the brand Good Night. If you guys do not have a mattress cover, I would highly recommend one, especially if your dogs or even kids sleep on the bed. This one protects against fluids, dust mites, and bacteria. The thing that I really love about this mattress cover as well is that it is super breathable. I actually got one from Target not too long ago, and that thing was so uncomfortable and really hot to sleep on. I woke up in the middle of the night sweating like crazy. So this one is very breathable. It is completely noiseless as well, and it does have a 10-year warranty. This has been great, especially for the few times that my doggies have had an accident or my cat has thrown up on my bed. It has been a complete savior. So if you guys are interested, I will leave a link to their website in the description box down below. Now we are heading over into my master bath. So the first thing that I do is just bring in all of my cleaning products and take all of the stuff off of my countertops. The first thing that I'm going to do is actually clean out my little medicine cabinet. I haven't done this in so long, you guys. I don't know why I have been slacking, but the shelves were so disgusting. Like, you guys, it was really nasty. So I took some disinfectant wipes and took out all the shelves, cleaned them down. I also cleaned out the whole inside and the door of the medicine cabinet, and then I just went ahead and reorganized everything. I went through a lot of my facial products, got rid of a bunch of stuff, because your girl likes to hoard things when it comes to facial products and makeup products. I have way too much crap. I definitely need to get better about doing this more on a regular basis so that it doesn't get as dirty and gross as it was this time around. But I definitely think after doing this, it made such a big difference. I'm definitely OCD when it comes to like organization and things just looking nice. So this definitely made my heart happy. When I was all done, it definitely looked a lot better than it did before. The first thing that I like to do when cleaning my countertops is take a disinfectant wipe and just go all over my countertops along the faucet area, just getting any excess hair or makeup, anything like that off, just because if you go straight in with a cleaner, you're going to be dealing with all of that gunk. So I just find that a lot easier than going straight in with whatever cleaner you're going to be using. Next, I'm going to take my red Solo cup that I keep in my bathroom to kind of clean out my sink area, wash down any hair, anything like that. Then I'm going to get my actual cleaning product, which is the Clorox Bathroom Cleanser. I use this one all the time when I clean my bathroom. I do have the bleach one, but the one I'm using right now is bleach free. So I'm just going to be spraying this all over my countertops, in my sinks. And then I'm going to be grabbing this little brush and I'm going to be scrubbing all of my countertops, especially around the faucet area. I feel like that is where it gets really dirty over the few days or weeks that I go in between cleaning my bathroom. I do have a separate video where I talk kind of more in depth of how I deep clean my bathroom. I'm not going to be showing you my toilet area or anything like that in this video, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will leave a link to my previous video of me cleaning my bathroom in the description box down below. I do take my bleach Clorox cleanser and I just spray right in the middle of my sink because there is some discoloration that happens. Next, I just take a cloth, wet it down, and I just clean all over the countertops, make sure that everything is getting cleaned off well. Once I am done doing this with the cloth, I take a paper towel and I just go through and dry off the countertops just so that they aren't soaking wet or anything, and I can make sure that I get any spots that I may have missed. Next, we are on to the mirrors. I'm obviously just taking some Windex and some paper towels and cleaning the mirrors. These get really dirty as well from brushing my teeth, washing my face, and also my medicine cabinet has a lot of fingerprints on it from me opening and closing it. Moving on to my least favorite part, the shower. I take my soft scrub, bleach, and I also take the Clorox bleach spray as well. This is so annoying to me at how often I have to do this. I really want to get my shower floor re-tiled or redone, I guess, so that it can just be tile because this shower pan is so horrible. It gets so dirty so quickly. I have to bleach it so often. I do take off all of my shampoo bottles that I have sitting on my little bench area in my shower, and I do bleach that area. I get my really big brush that I have and I scrub the floor of my shower. Again, my least favorite thing to do, but this is the only way to get it somewhat clean. Once I have let that sit for a little while, I'm just going to wash that off with some water and my red Solo cup. I usually turn on my shower just to kind of get all of the water off of the shower walls and off of the floor as well. I always like the way that it looks when I am done. It looks nice and clean and white as opposed to it looking dirty like it did before, because when you step into the shower, it instantly gets dirty. But needless to say, it does look good when I'm done. This is also what my bathroom looks like. The countertops are nice and shiny, as you guys can see. Totally makes my heart happy to have a clean bathroom. Moving back into my room, I'm just going to take my Swiffer and go over all of my floors. Again, I have pets, so there is a lot of hair. I like to get under my bed as well because that is where the hair likes to collect. It is crazy how much hair gets under there. So I make sure to go all around my room and in my bathroom as well. Once I'm done with that, I will take my Swiffer Wet Pet and I will just go over all the flooring in my bathroom mostly, just because my cat's litter box is in my bathroom and I feel like it is most important to get in there clean because after I get out of the shower, I don't want to be stepping in anything gross. So I like to do this at least once a week as well, just to get it clean. It's really easy to do and you don't have to take out the whole entire mop or anything. You cannot get a lot of space done with these, I will say, but if you just want to get a small area done, they are good for that. Once I'm done Swiffering, I'm just going to start putting the sheets back onto my bed. This is one of my favorite things to fall asleep at night with freshly washed sheets. It just feels so great to be getting into a clean bed. They smell so nicely. You guys will have to let me know if you guys relate and agree with me on that as well. That is going to be it for this nighttime clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more clean with me's, let me know in the comments down below as well. I will have a link, like I said, to the Goodnight mattress cover that I talked about. Again, I would highly, highly recommend it. Like I said, I think anyone and everyone needs a mattress cover. So make sure to check them out if you guys don't already have one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.